What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com and we're going to do a quick test on the Kia Stinger. Let's go ahead and test the lock button. Great. Let's test the unlock. Perfect. Let's test the trunk. Nice. And let's go ahead and do the touchscreen remote start. If you press and hold it, I got it set to press the lock button 3 times. And let's do the lock on the screen. Let's do the trunk on the screen. Alright, so the Kia Stinger is looking good. If you want to get this for your Kia Stinger, just hit me up at lcdsmartkey.com. I'm also located on eBay. Let me go ahead and get to the next video. I'll see you guys later.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.